San Antonio and South Texas have a long history, strong identity, and a great sense of community. Community First is proud to be a part of that tradition. In our 10-year history, we've had one mission: to work together in the community to improve access to health care. That's why we were created.
When we were conceiving Community First, and that's probably around 1994, 1995, I like to say the Community First fit in my briefcase because all it was a piece of legislation that we were working up in Austin together with the Parkland Healthcare System in Dallas. And Community First was a concept, an idea, and so today it's not a concept, an idea, it's a reality. We wanted a community voice in the managed care business, just like we have a community voice in the hospital business. We wanted a community voice in managed care.
We're pediatricians, and we have 5 different locations here in San Antonio, and we do take care of some of the kids that we've taken care of all of their life till they go off to college. The Community First does a lot of outreach into the community with both the providers and the patients to try to reach the patients and educate our patients. So their mission is kind of like my mission, to educate our patients. I love to advocate for children's health. That's my passion. I feel that children can't talk for themselves, and they need someone who can speak up for them. And having worked in disadvantaged areas for the past almost 20 years, I see the need. I'm passionate about trying to make our children better than their parents.
Well, one of the major distinguishing characteristics of Community First health plans is that it is a not-for-profit organization that historically has used the revenues that it generates in a way that they are reinvested in a variety of programs and services. I feel that it helps me practice pediatrics better because of the system that exists within the Community First network and the overall operational plans that they have in place. If we didn't have a plan or a system as Community First has developed within our community to serve a large number of enrolled lives that exceeds 100,000 in our community.
Community First is one of only a very few locally owned, not-for-profit health plans, and the community is responsible for us growing. So they need to take great pride in the fact that they've been able to support a locally owned company to grow to the point that we are today. Our most recent member satisfaction surveys show that we maintain the highest level of overall satisfaction of any health plan in this marketplace. I think if I was a local employer in this town, I'd want to know that I have another option for health care coverage for my employees and their family members other than those large, kind of impersonal health plans. Knowing that Community First is here, able to provide all the local services and benefits right here in San Antonio, I think is something that should be very attractive to anybody.
I was looking for something different programs, information on asthma, and when I talked to the caseworker there at the insurance office, she was helping me to look especially what offered the most, and it was Community First. All 3 of my children have asthma. That is under control right now. Rudy has had asthma since he was 4 years old. He's 16 now and continues to have asthma. So he teaches brother and his sister how important it is and for them to stay on it. And he's like, because if we're all healthy, we can go out there and do all these fun things, and it's him who teaches them.
Taking the medication really helps me out because I can do more stuff now. Before I would take all my medicines, but I wouldn't take them as much, and I didn't really know the importance.
It is Community First that helps me to keep my children healthy with the different chronic illnesses that they have. So we love our Community First.
Expectations are always high for customer service here at Community First. I think across the board, any of the departments within Community First really feel that customer service is how we get things done. Sometimes it is a challenge to do that. I mean, you're working with all types of people. Most of them don't understand what we're trying to do or our product or, you know, how to get from point A to point B, and we do. So we try to help them, and a lot of times it's holding their hands along the way. Community First is a great place to work. I came from another health plan, and the fact that we can be creative and still get the goal that we want to achieve, which is to service the customer, I think we do it much better here at Community First.
So how does Community First fit into this community? We're your partners, we're your neighbors, we're your family. We're Community First, and that is our mission.
Hey, Community First, it's Ricardo Chavira with some friends wanting to wish you a happy birthday and congratulations on your 10th year anniversary. Yeah, that's right. And it's great to see all the work that you're doing right here in my hometown of San Antonio. And I'm honored to stand with you behind the Community First name. Everybody, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Community First.